If you're looking for a blind hem stitch, there are actually two of them on the Singer Confidence Quilter, model 7469Q. Not only am I going to show you how to set this up, but the unique part of folding the fabric so you don't have to do a blind hem by hand ever again. So the blind hem stitch is on the top row here. It's 06, but you also have a stretch blind hem stitch right here at 04. So whichever one you want to start with, I am a fan of the first one. That particular one is the one that most people are going to use. I don't tend to do as much blind hemming on stretchy fabric, even though that is an option, but it is very easy to do with this particular stitch. Next, there is a blind hem foot that I'm going to put on, and there's an adjustable guide to it. So as you can see, there's a little screw off to the side, and this blade is going to move left and to the right, and I'm going to set that based on how thick my fabric is. So let's show you how to fold the fabric to get set up to stitch a blind hem. To switch feet, touch the little button that's on the back and it will release your current presser foot, and then move your new foot just underneath this little claw so it will click onto the bar of the foot. Sometimes I'll hold on to it, and if necessary, move it forward or back until you get that click. There is a place for the thread to go right down the groove, kind of on the left side, and I have no idea if this guide is going to move to the right, to the left, or if it's even sort of near where I need it to go. That is going to be set after I take a couple stitches. Okay, so our blind hem will be where you have folded up the hem of your fabric. So however high that is, this would be the final hem. Next, you're going to take the fabric and fold back. So there's this little kind of wall of fabric, a hinge, that as we stitch, so the stitch is going to stitch here on this single layer and then jump over and catch just the smallest bite into this fold. So it's going to go stitch, 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 and then bite, stitch, 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 and bite. So every time it does that little extra jump and bite into that fold, that's those little tick marks that you're going to see on the front when you are doing this. Now, depending on your fabric thickness, that's why this foot is adjustable. It's not just set for one particular fabric. The thicker it is, you might need to adjust it one way, and the thinner it is, you'll need to adjust it the other way. But we have no idea what that is until we take a couple stitches. Now I'm going to do this by hand so you can see that as the needle is over here, that's the first part of this stitch. So I'm waiting, I'm going to turn my hand wheel until I get that jump. Did you see the needle move over to the side? So right now, this little stitch is where I want the needle to come and pierce the fold. So I'm going to lift this fabric up and move it over, so when I look down here, I'm going to catch just the smallest amount. Now you see this little blade is kind of sitting on top of the fold. So this is where you just twist the guide until you can position it for a place to follow as you stitch. So let's just go ahead and we'll take a few stitches because you've lined this up with the way the stitch formed, and you just kind of need to keep that fold hugged up against the guide. Let's just see how we did. If you need to, the first time you might need to adjust just a little bit, but let's just see how it looks. So this is what it looks like as it comes out. I can see I've cut just a little bit of the fabric, and as I look on this side, it just barely shows through. So you can see that if I had matched my thread, not hot pink, but matched the thread to the fabric color, that consists of a blind hem. So the goal is to get these bites to be all the same depth. So if you do find yourself having like big ones and small ones and then you miss a few, that's where you just need to guide that fabric a little bit closer to the guide or adjust it just a little bit. But all in all, I would be totally happy with that being a blind hem versus doing it by hand. Make sure you check out all the videos that we have listed below on the Singer Confidence Quilter, model 7469Q. And if this has been helpful, make sure you give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel.